today's video, we will talk about air stapler. An air stapler is a stapling tool that uses compressed air to drive staples through materials. They are more powerful than electric staple guns. Want to know more about this tool? Please keep on watching!
A pneumatic staple gun is a tool that is often used in the construction industry and to install hardwood and engineered flooring underlayment. It looks like a gun and has a trigger and a cartridge for staples. The staple gun uses compressed air to drive staples into a hard surface like wood flooring.
An air stapler is a hand allow for attaching upholstery, finishing wooden trim, and linoleum roof tiles. KTG is now on Christmas sale, offering 10% up to 50% off on selected items only. Ano pa ang hinihintay nyo? Come and shop now! Please do like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for watching!